How to airdrop on Android to iPhone. So if you want to airdrop from Android to iPhone, then what you need to do is first you just need to have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, you need to go with your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth. So you need to have two phones, which is one is iPhone and another one is Android, and you need to connect to the same Wi-Fi network in both of the phones. And once you've connected the same Wi-Fi, you just need to go for the search. You can go with a browser on your Android and Safari on your Apple. Once you're on the browser, you need to go for the search and search for snapdrop.net. Once you've searched here, you will have this kind of interface where you will have the device name right here. So you just need to simply tap on the device, and once you tap on the device, you will have three options. One is photo library, and then take photo or video, or choose files. So you can simply choose any photo that you're comfortable with, and once you've choose the photo, you can simply tap on next or send, and once you've sent, that image or that photo will be airdropped on the Android device, and you can do that same on the Apple device also. So that's how you can airdrop, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.